Hi guys, so today we're going to look at how to uninstall a program on Windows 10. Okay, so the first thing you're going to have to do is open up Control Panel. Okay, now there's no way you can do it normally like you used to, just go into Start and find Control Panel. What you're going to have to do is press the Windows key on your machine and R at the same time, which will bring up the run box. You're going to type in Control and you're going to click on OK. Now that will load Control Panel. Next thing we're going to do is search for Uninstall. As you can see, we've got Uninstall a program here. So click on that. It's going to open up this window here. The next thing we need to do is find the program that we are wanting to install. So I'm going to select BlueStacks here. Once I've selected there, as you can see, it's come up with Uninstall at the top. So I'm going to click on Uninstall. Next, it's going to ask for a Windows permissions screen. You're going to click on yes. Then depending on which application it is, this may differ. As you can see, it's asking for reasons, it's asking for feedback as to why you want to uninstall it. I'm just going to say that it crashed. Okay, next I'm going to click on uninstall. Okay, it's just notifying that all data within that program will be lost. Uninstall. And there we go. That program is gone. Please remember to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below if you have any other questions.